Hello team, welcome back. Welcome to DevOps training. And today we are going to start a new section which will be about the Git tagging, right? So we are going to start a new section about the tagging. In this particular section, we will learn about the Git tagging and how we can use the Git tagging in our practical life. What is the application of the Git tagging and what are the other uses of the Git tagging. So in the very first lecture, we are going to discuss about the lightweight tags, right? And we will learn what is the Git tag and how we can use the Git tag and how we can deal with the Git tag in a Git, right? So let's move to the directory. So guys, this was the starter web project, okay, on which we was working in this particular throughout Git tutorial. So I'm going to open the terminal over here, okay, and very first I will check my Git status. I will check my status of my project with the Git, right? So I will fire the command git status. Once I fired the command, I'm getting on master branch. Your branch is up to date with the origin master, right? It means there is nothing to commit and my directory or my local directory is in sync with my remote repository, right? Now let's do one thing and let's open the logs of the Git, right? So what is the command to open the log? We know very well, like git log dash dash one line dash dash decorate dash dash graph dash dash all, right? Once I will fire the command, I am getting the complete git log history. Let's move to the parent one, right? And over here I'm saying head master, origin head, right? Added git stash branch changes. This was my last commit, right? What is this? The head is just a pointer, right? When I'm saying origin master, the head is just a pointer. This master is a master branch of my local repository. Origin master is the master branch of the remote repository, right? Over here, these are the different commits. Now, I have application or I have a requirement that I want to highlight or I want to set a milestone of a particular commit, right? I want to highlight a particular commit, okay, or I want to set a milestone on that particular commit, okay. This is the commit where my complete the code of my suppose there's a multiple releases in your project and there's a release 100. Suppose there's a release 100 or you can suppose release 1. So you want to mark a commit, right? You want to mark a commit and tag a commit that this is the commit in which I have completed my release 1 code or release n code or release 100 code or release 1000 code, right? So this is the application of the tag. Tag will basically used to highlight a particular commit or tag a particular commit, right, or label a particular commit so that we can identify it and we can use it further or we can save it for the further references or any kind of business you can say business need, right? So this is the application of the git commit. Now let's move to the slide. So why git tagging? So guys, tags are reference. Basically, as we discussed, the tags are reference that point to a specific points in a git history. When we are saying the specific points, then I'm talking about the specific commits, right? So tags are just the reference points, okay, and that refer to a specific point in the git history. Tagging is generally used to capture a point in a history that is used for a marked version, right? That we have generally discussed. You can mark a particular version on a particular commit. Okay, this was the last commit of this particular release, or this was the last commit of this particular release, right? There are multiple release in a product, right? We are working in agile model, then definitely there is a multiple release. Sometimes we have a release every week. Sometimes we have a release in every 15 days or every sprint, right? So in the agile model, these kind of things are very useful, right? Now let's see how we can basically create the tag. So simply we need to find out, we need to fire a command git tag as we have getting over here, the git tag and then tag name. So this will create a tag for you, right? So let's move to the terminal. Okay, let me allow to open a new terminal. Starter web. I will open a new terminal over here, right? And I will fire the command git tag And tag name, suppose my tag name would be uh, release 1 or release 1.0.1, right? Release 1.0.1, right? Like this, right? Now once again fire the git history command. Git log one line decorate graph all, and see there is a change. Now we are getting one more entry in my head, which is saying head master. Head just is a pointer which is pointing to my master branch in my local, right? Origin master, right? Origin head. But there's a new thing which comes into the picture, which is tag. You can see a tag is being added over here, a label is being added over here, right? Which we can attach with any commit or in my log history, right? We will see this how we can do this in the log history and all, right? We will see this in coming tutorials, right? So let's move to the next one, right? Close this terminal. Let's move to the next one. What next we have? Now suppose you need to find out how many tags are available, right? How many tags are available and how you can delete the tags. So there's a very simple. Let's open terminal, right? So we know very well, right? We have seen that particular tag is available, right? We have just created the release 1.0.1, right? Now we need to find out the available tags. The command is git tag hyphen list. Guys, please be careful when you are putting this command, because if you are not putting hyphen before the list, then it will create a new tag, the name of list, right? You can say there is only one tag available, which is release 1.0.1, right? And suppose you want to delete this particular tag, then simply you can put the command git tag hyphen delete and tag name. What is my tag name? My tag name is release 1.0.1, and I say deleted tag this reference was this. Again check the git history, right? And you can see the tag is not present over here. The tag is being removed, right? Now I'm again getting the input, or sorry, the output like before, right? Where you just it was not created the tag. So this is the way how you can create the tag, and how you can list out the number of tags and what is the purpose of the tag and how you can delete the tags. Okay. In the coming tutorials, we will learn new things about the tags and how we can attach the commit with the particular tag, and what is the other applications of the tag. So thank you guys. Thanks for your time. I hope you like the video.